Hello children. Children, our lesson number 3 in civics, the government in the states is going on, and the topic which I am going to tell you today, that is Chief Ministers and Council of Ministers. Children, Chief Minister CM is the elected head of government of the state. You all know that जो हमारी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के हेड होते हैं, they are he is known as Chief Minister. For example, Yogi ji is our CM. He is our chief minister, so he is the head of the government of the state. He is vested with most of the executive powers. Obvious है, जब हेड है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको बहुत एक सिंपल सा एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ यहाँ पे. आर ऑनरेबल डायरेक्टर सर, he is the owner of the school also, so he is the head of the school also, head of the school. So most of the powers किनके पास है? सर के पास है, हमारे एमडी सर के पास है. सेम एज जब हमारी स्टेट जो हमारे सीएम है वो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के हेड है, तो फिर हमारी स्टेट से रिलेटेड एग्जीक्यूटिव पावर्स किसके पास होंगी? सीएम के पास होंगी. ठीक है. ही सर्व्स अ 5-year term with a provision of free election. A CM is appointed for 5 years after the elections, but in some cases if free election happen, then there will be the term of 5 years will decrease, और वहाँ पे री-इलेक्शन होगा, और जब री-इलेक्शन होगा then new CM will be formed. But बहुत रेयर केस में ऐसा होता है. The governor appoints the CM. He also appoints the ministers on the advice of the CM. जो हमारे CM को अपॉइंट करते हैं वो कौन होते हैं? The governor. Governor appoints the chief minister, and governor also appoints the other ministers. और वो अदर मिनिस्टर कौन से होते हैं? those other ministers are known as council of ministers, but these council of ministers are appointed on only the advice of CM. Children, now powers and functions of CM, chief minister. What are the powers? He submits a list of names to the governor to be appointed as council of minister. Means only the CM has the power to give the names to the governor, and from that list governor choose the ministers who will be appointed as the council of ministers. Now he allocates portfolios to ministers. He summons meetings and presides over them. Who? CM, chief minister, summons means call upon. Whenever CM wants, he can summon the meeting and presides over them, means he conducts the meeting. He, along with the council of ministers, collectively responsible to the legislative assembly, and he informs the governor of all decisions made by the council. This is the most prior, that whatever the decision the CM or the council of ministers takes, this only the CM has to inform to the governor. So these are the powers and functions of the chief ministers. Children, our next topic is division of powers. Children, India is a federal state with national government and the state government. Our state government enjoys so many powers, but however there are many spheres in which the union government can take control over the state government. But in our fundamental rights, none of the government, whether the government is union or the government is a state, can violate the other one. So this is a division of powers. The union government has its own power. He can take control over the state government, but he cannot violate it. Violated the state government under the fundamental rights. Children, our next topic is distribution of legislative subjects between the union and the states. Children, the subjects on which the central government has passed a list by the Indian Constitution is union list, and uh, these subjects include our coinage, defense, insurance, currency, duties and foreign affairs. Means जो हमारी यूनियन गवर्नमेंट है, they decide to work on these subjects, such as यूनियन गवर्नमेंट के हमारे क्या सब्जेक्ट्स हैं? आपकी डिफेंस है, इंश्योरेंस, coinage, currency, such as, and the the subjects in which the state government works, that list is known as state lists, and जो हमारी state government है, that works on law and order of state, law and order of state, ठीक है, marriage, sanitation, whatever is related with our state, fisheries, public health. So these are the subjects which are distributed between the union government and the state government. ठीक है? Children, commercial and industrial monopolies, educational and trade, machinery work. Some are the common subjects which concern to both, whether the union government or the state government. So distribution of legislative subjects, this was the last topic of the lesson. Now here I am ending my video along with the lesson. The lesson is over, as well as I am also ending my video here. In next video we will discuss the exercises of this lesson, and then I will take the test of this lesson. So you please get ready for the test also. Start preparing the lesson. Now we will meet soon in next video with the exercises of this lesson. Till then, goodbye.